So this question is taken from May June 2018 from paper 3 variant 1. This is the first part of question 9. We are given a fraction which we need to convert it into partial fraction format. The first step is to think about what is the degree of the numerator and the degree of the polynomial in the denominator. Because both of them are same, it means this is an improper fraction. So after converting the linear factor into its partial fraction format, we'll need to have an extra constant to represent the improper fraction. So I can go ahead and start this question by saying that my f of x is equivalent to a by x minus 1 plus b by 3x plus 2 and then plus c because of that improper fraction format. Now I just need to make the common denominator of x minus 1 3x plus 2 for all the terms. I just need to think that what can I multiply and divide with a so that I get the x minus 1 3x plus 2 in the denominator. And for each terms I need to think the same thing and then compare the numerator part. So let's go ahead and complete this. The numerator part on the left side will be 12x squared plus 4x minus 1. On the right hand side with a, it will be 3x plus 2. With b, it will be x minus 1. And with c, because I need to divide and multiply with the entire x minus 1, 3x plus 2, I'll need to write x minus 1, 3x plus 2. Now, because the denominators on each side are constants, I mean similar, so I'm not comparing them. I'm just comparing the numerator part. Now, from here, you can use the let method to find out the values of a, b, c. You can use the comparison method. You can use whatever technique that suits you the best. For me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say let x is equal to 1. So on the left side, I'm going to have 12 plus 4, which is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. So 15 is equal to, this bracket will go to 0. This bracket will go to 0. So I can easily find out the value of a. That is equal to 5a, right? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. From here, I can say that a is equal to 3. Now I can say that, let's say I'm going to compare maybe the coefficient of x square, because I can see that the coefficient of x square is only 3c. There is no other coefficient of x square, and I can compare that with 12 to easily find out the value of c. So I'll say that compare x square coefficient. So it will be 12 is equal to 3c, which implements that c is equal to 4. And to find out the value of b, what I can do is I can just assume or let x is equal to 0 so that everything becomes very easier for me to compare. Or else you can also do x is equals to minus 2 by 3. So this brackets and this brackets goes out and you can easily find the value of b. So yeah, there are multiple approaches in which you can find out the value of b. It's up to you. I'm just going to say that let x is equal to 0. So on the left hand side, what am I going to get? On the left hand side, I'm going to get minus 1 is equal to 2a and then plus, I should say minus b. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 into b is minus b. And then plus 4 times minus 1 into 2, which is minus 2. And from here, I need to find the value of b. So b will simply be equal to, let's say if I'm sending b on the left side, on the right hand side, I'll be having 6 minus 8, which is minus 2. And then I'm sending minus 1 on the right hand side will become plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. And from here, I'll get my final answer. I have converted my given function into its partial fraction format. So it is 3 over x minus 1, then minus 1 over 3x plus 2, and then 4. And guess what? We are done with this entire question.